So, good evening. Before we start, we will first introduce ourselves. So, my name is Daniel Joff Anthony D. Diaz.
And I'm Journey Jordan S. Alonzo.
And I'm Brian Joseph L. Baluyot.
And I am Aaron Matthew S. Dator.
So, we will now be presenting our laboratory activity number 5, the conditional if statements.
We first put the compiler's preprocessor to include the iOS stream standard header file. Then using namespace std, we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library, followed by the main function. We then declared the string name variable, which stores a sequence of letters or other characters. Next is the input in quiz 1 to quiz 7, exam, lab 1 to lab 3, lab 1O to lab 3O, exam O, quiz 1O to quiz 7O. The output cout is then put with the insertion of operator with the different data. We use the endl manipulator to add a new line. The looping do while statement is then used to test the stated condition first. If the condition is proper, it will execute the loop, followed by the different data for the grades. We used int for the other line fundamental variable type built into the compiler and used to define numeric variables holding whole numbers. Then another output cout, we used the if-else statement conditional structure. Lastly, the return function 0 to finish and return the code to execute the program.
So, if we run the program, this will be the output. So, for example, let's say the student's name is Daniel, then hit enter. So, for quiz 1, let's say his score is 8, then the maximum score is 10, then quiz 2 is another 8, then maximum is 10, quiz 3 is 2, maximum of 5, then quiz number 4 is 6, then 10, then 7, then 10, then 8, then 10, and then for 7 is 8, then 20, 8, and then, oh, we'll first restart. Okay, let's continue. Then for the lab 1 activity, let's say E over 100, and so on and so forth. So, for the analysis, we have observed that to create a program, we use trial and error to find the proper code to run the program we have given. We followed the use of different conditional and looping statements that was discussed. The method we used needed a lot of data input to execute the program. And for the conclusion, we conclude that the looping do while statement, and if else conditional statement was the best option for us to run the program to compute grades. We could run the program smoothly with the use of these statements. And that is all. Thank you.